Hey guys, how you doing? Yes, my name is tutored and welcome to my channel. Learn Matches Kavoo. So today, I'd like us to continue going through the divisibility test for numbers, okay? So far, we've gone through the divisibility test for 2 to 12. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, okay? So today, I'd like us to go through the divisibility test for 13, okay? Yeah, so in fact, I should start by mentioning that the divisibility test for 13 is one very easy one, okay? So in order for us to know this divisibility test for 13, we'll need to know table 3, okay? Which is not a problem because we covered that some time back. I'll leave the link in the description box below so that you're all on the same page. So this is basically what we said about table 3. This is 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay? Yes. And why am I saying that we need to be conversant with table 3 first? We are saying that because we are looking at the digit in the ones place, okay? And in the number 13, 3 is in the ones place and 1 is in the tens place, right? Yes, so that's why we need to be conversant with table 3, okay? Yes, so we'll write the multiplication table for table 3 here. So, after writing the multiplication table for the digit in the ones place, we'll now add and subtract the digit in the tens place, which in our case is 1, okay? So we'll add and subtract the multiples of 3 by 1 until we get 13, or a multiple of 13 as our final answer, okay? So this is what you get when you add 1 to this. 3 plus 1 is 4, 6 plus 1 is 7. When you subtract, 3 minus 1 is 2, 6 minus 1 is 5. So we'll keep doing that until we get 13 or a multiple of 13, okay? And this is where we get our 13, okay? This here is where we get our 13, okay? So where is 12 in table 3? We have our table 3 here. So we know that 12 is here, okay? Because 3 times 4 is 12, okay? Yes, so that means that we'll multiply the digit in the ones place of that number that you've been given by 4 and then add to the remaining digits, okay? Yes, and here remember we are adding because we got 13 by adding a multiple of 3, okay, which is 12 to 1. Are we together? So if we subtracted a multiple of 3 to get 13, then we definitely subtract, okay? Yeah, so I believe you now understand why I'm saying we should add and not subtract, okay? Yes, so let's go through some examples. Is this number divisible by 13? So the first thing we'll do here is to multiply the digit in the ones number place by 4, okay? And then add the remaining digits by that number. And then we'll repeat this process until we get a number that we know for sure is divisible by 13, okay? A number that is a multiple of 13. Are we together? Okay. So when we do that, we get... So here, when you multiply this digit by 4, you get 12, okay? You add 12, so you add 12 to the remaining digits, the digits that haven't been touched, okay? So I think we can even separate that with a line, okay? And then you follow the same procedure until you get a number that you know for sure is divisible by 13, okay? Okay, so when you follow that same procedure, and by there I should mention, this is 3 times 4 is 12, so this is 12, okay? So when you add 40 plus 12, you get 52. Okay? So when you follow this procedure that I've shown you here, we get 52. And we know for sure that 52 is a multiple of 13, okay? Because when you divide 52 by 13, you get a whole number. You do not get a remainder. Are we together? Yes. So because this number is divisible by 13, automatically means that this entire number is also divisible by 13. Are we together? Yeah, so let's look at the one last example so the concept sticks. So is this number divisible by 13? You can pause the video and find out if it's divisible by 13. So you just follow the same procedure that we followed for the first question. That means we'll multiply the digit in the ones number place by 4 and then add it to the remaining digits, okay? And we'll repeat the same procedure until we get a number that we know for sure is a multiple of 13 or 13, okay? So, yeah, so let's do that. So when you do that, you get 8 plus 12, which is 20, okay? So, is 20 divisible by 13? 20 is certainly not divisible by 13, okay? So that automatically means that this number here is definitely not divisible by 13. Are we together? And that's about, oops, sorry about that, yeah, and that's about it. Yeah, so you can call it a day. Yeah, always remember that math is all about practice. Practice makes perfect. I'll never stop reminding you that. Additionally, I'd like to mention that I offer tutoring services. So if you're interested in getting tutored, please make sure you fill out the Google form that I've included in the description box of this video, as well as in all my other videos. I'll reach out to you as soon as possible, okay? Yes, if you enjoyed the lesson, feel free to like, share, because sharing is caring, and subscribe so that you don't miss any time I upload a new video. Subscribing is free. Yay! See you in 2 weeks' time. Same time, same place. Bye!